Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics365 MVP, and I'm here today with Anja Schmid from Georg Fischer, and we're going to talk a little bit about ClickLearn for Dynamics365. So, Anja, good morning, and tell us a little bit about, how did you discover ClickLearn, and what are you doing with ClickLearn?
Yeah, so also hello from my side. My name is Anja Schmid. I'm working for Georg Fischer. And yeah, we're currently rolling out our new CRMs, the CRM 365. And therefore we searched for a tool, how we can support our users when they need to search for material. And we looked in the internet for different platforms and we found ClickLearn. And compared, also we find other tools, but compared with ClickLearn, I would say ClickLearn was definitely the best solution which we could get, because it is directly integrated in our CRM. So it's accessible for all our users whenever they work in the CRM. And I think that is really a big benefit from ClickLearn.
So let's talk a little bit about your project. Are you deploying CRM for the first time, or is this an upgrade?
It's an upgrade. We had already the CRM 2013 in all our sales company. So we are a global company with 37 sales companies all around the world. So talking really about America, South America, Europe, Asia, also Australia and New Zealand. So that means we need a tool which we can use for all companies all over the world to update all these processes.
So how many users do you have in your project, and what are their roles?
In the project itself, we are 8 people who are rolling out this whole project, and end customers, we have over 1,000 people which are using in a daily basis the CRM.
Excellent. So, we were talking that they're moving from the traditional user interface to the new user interface, and it's quite a change. So, tell us a little bit about, how you're going about getting that change management and that training done.
Yeah, we really use ClickLearn based, everything which we train is based on our ClickLearn material. So we really show them how they can get into the ClickLearn to use the training material. And also our presentations, everything is based on the ClickLearn material which we have produced. So I think for that, ClickLearn already supports us for our work as well, for the preparation for the trainings, but also for later for the users. It's a big support.
So you're doing both video and documentation support for the users?
Correct. We also use the assist, which actually our users really, really like. They love it. With this assist, that's really a big advantage for them. They can directly use it in the system. It's really jumping into the system and just getting a support there whenever you have a question.
Excellent. So, let's talk a little bit about building the support material. How much time do you think you saved using ClickLearn?
Yeah, for me it was, I started as an intern just last year when we started. So for me, my project was really focusing on ClickLearn. And it's really easy to get into ClickLearn and to work with ClickLearn. So therefore, it saved already a lot of time. Also, it was always accessible for all our team to see, okay, what is about to update the information when we change something. And like I said, we used it for all our presentations. So that was already time saving. Additionally, we cannot just use English. We use our CRM in several languages, so also the training material should be provided in several languages. So we have our CRM 7 different languages, and there it's really a big support that ClickLearn also supports these different languages.
So that's kind of key, right? Because if you had to redevelop these in all 7 languages, it would take you more than 7 times as long, right? It
would be too much time. We could not spend this time actually. So here's really a big advantage which we can gain from ClickLearn, using the replay to going over the different languages and adjust it to the different languages.
Yeah, I've talked to several ClickLearn customers, and that's the big thing. They're saying it's not the time we saved, it's what we could do that we wouldn't do, right? Now that we can work in multiple languages.
Yes, and I think also when we come for that point, when we talk about the new user interface, there's each half a year is an update now coming from Microsoft. So that means we have to update our training material each half a year. And we would do it in a normal way. It would, we were just sitting there updating the training material. With ClickLearn, we now can just easily pre-update it. So it's also for ClickLearn a new step because they have also to adjust. And here we work quite closely with them together, showing them already when we have the first version, what can we see? They have a look where they need to adjust their ClickLearn, that we can just really replay our videos, and then we can just continue working with it.
So are there any other projects you can see you'll be doing in the future besides your upgrades with ClickLearn?
Yes, definitely. So far, we have just focused on external sales because that is also the part where mainly our CRM is used. But we have a platform where we also have different users, like also internal sales is already using it, but they never had really their own training material. So also in the future, we would like to build up our whole platform for the different kind of users, not just the platform for everyone, really specific for all the different types of users. So really, we will then implement something for the internal sales people, for marketing, etc. So really building the whole ClickLearn portal based on the different needs we have from our users.
That's great. So Anja, thank you very much for your time. We really appreciate you, sitting through this testimonial interview, and hope you have a good day, and good luck with your project and your use of ClickLearn.
Thanks, Rick, and thanks for ClickLearn.
Okay, thanks.